Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make very easy, simple, and very quick to make. And still it's summer, so we're going to make a pillowcase made out of a placemat with lemon. So all you needed is some little sewing scissors to take the little thread out on only this inch, and then we need some white cotton and some fabric tack. So let's get started. First thing you need is some placemat and scissors, fabric tack, and some polyester cotton. And what I did, I opened it up at this little inch, and I'm going to put all the cotton inside. All the way in. Here. And make sure it's all in the corner so they make it really fluffy. And each corner. And 4 sides. And push it down. Then we're going to glue with thumbtack on the edge of the pillowcase, right here. Usually this comes from the dollar store, and it's a placemat, and you can make it look like a pillowcase, even though it's all the fruits of lemons, watermelon, and we use it for a summer theme. Put on here. You press it down. Push it down to make sure all the cotton is inside. And there we go. Made it look like a summer decorating pillowcase. So you get it from the dollar store, or it could be any craft store. It has a placemat. And just open it up and put a cotton in and close it and use some fabric tack and make it like a pillowcase. It's a pillow. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow. And if you're new, welcome, and click the red box and notification bell so you will not miss a fun craft. And stay tuned for the next project for the fun summer DIY. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.